E-commerce is expanding rapidly across the world, especially in Africa. And while that brings up huge opportunities, many WordPress stores are still struggling with one key issue: a reliable payment system. Without it, even good traffic turns into lost sales. So in this video, I'll show you how to connect Flutterwave with FluentCart and set up a payment system that actually works in some simple steps. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing usually starts inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in there, you can head over to FluentCart, and inside that, you'll find the settings area where payment options are handled. And as you scroll down, you'll notice Flutterwave sitting right there among the available payment methods. Now, click on the Manage option, and here, you'll immediately see that Flutterwave is not installed. Just hit Install, and you'll be redirected to a new page. From there, download the Flutterwave add-on, then upload the zip file. A quick install, a quick activation, and you're ready to go in a few seconds. Now, to connect everything properly, we'll need something from the Flutterwave account. So in another tab, you can log into your Flutterwave dashboard, and inside the settings area, there's a section for developers where the API keys are stored. That's where you'll find three important keys: public key, secret key, and encryption key. Depending on whether you're testing things out or going live, Flutterwave provides both test and live version of these keys. Let's stick with test mode first so you can make sure everything is working properly before going live. At this point, it's just about having those copied somewhere handy because they're what connects both systems together. Once you have those keys ready, the next part happens back inside WordPress. Inside the Flutterwave settings area, first toggle on the payment activation. Once that's enabled, all you need to do is just paste the credentials into the matching fields. And right below that, there's also a security part called the Webhook secret hash. That's usually just a simple secure phrase that you create, but it becomes important later when both systems start talking to each other. Now, this is the part that actually makes everything feel connected. Without webhooks, your store wouldn't know when a payment is actually successful. So what happens is FluentCart generates a webhook URL, and Flutterwave uses that URL to send payments updates back to your store. Inside the Flutterwave dashboard, you'll find the webhook section. Just paste the URL there. Then add the same secret phrase we used earlier, so both sides can verify each other securely. Once that's done, Flutterwave and your store stay in sync automatically. After everything is set, the last part is simply saving the configuration inside FluentCart, and the setup is technically complete. Let's do a quick test run to make sure everything is working before switching to live payments. As you can see, the test was successful, and your system is now ready to handle real transactions. The order has been recorded in the FluentCart order pages, where you can view all the details. So that's how you connect Flutterwave with FluentCart and set up payments in your WordPress e-commerce store. And once it's set up, you also get access to multiple payment methods like bank transfers, mobile money, USSD, M-Pesa, and more local options. If this video helped, make sure you're subscribed to WPManageNinja. Drop your questions in the comments, and if you face any issues with the setup, I'll be happy to answer that right away. Alright guys, see you in the next video.